What I learned today, I actually learned it some time ago, but I'm sharing it with you today. A lot of people want to be over other people. They want to be the one in charge. They want to have everybody under them. And as a result, they ain't never been under nobody. I was that person. I lived my life for a long time, not ever really submitting or coming under any man or person. I just didn't. I just wasn't too submitted, right? But recently, since I got into this disciple making process, I've learned that, man. I've learned the power of coming under. So here's what I want to share with you today. You can never truly be over the ones who are under you until you come under the one who is over you. Let me say that again for my coaches, for those of you sitting in the back. You can never be over the ones who are under you until you come under the one who is over you. You got to submit yourself and you got to sit down. Go look at Luke 6:39 and 40, specifically verse 40. For the pupil is never above the teacher, but when the pupil has fully learned, he'll be like the teacher. The client is never above the coach, but when you have learned what the coach knows, you will be like the coach, but you ain't going to be over the coach. You got it. That's what I learned today. One more time. You can never be over the ones who are under you until you come under the one who is over you. I'm Dr. Fred Jones. The most expensive thing you'll ever pay is attention to the wrong people.